Did you know that the very first animal in the Chinese zodiac is actually the rat? And legend says that this tiny animal is super smart and always one step ahead. So unboxan natin ang McDonald's Zodiac Rat and let's see if this toy is just as clever. Alright, ayun na naman ang ating box. Ikot muna natin, ang rat ay si Hamburglar. Yan, violet no? Ang pangalan niyang rat ay nasa taas ng box. Year of the Rat ka kung pinanganak ka ng 1936, 1948, 1960, 1972, 1984, 2008, 2020 at 2032. And here's the paper reveal. Yan, nakita na natin ang rat. So kung isa ka sa mga years na yan, pasok ka na sa Rat Zodiac Squad. Ito naman ang ating Hamburglar toy, no? Unbox na natin din siya. Yan. Makikita nyo sa necktie niya, may dalawa siyang burger, black cape naman sa likod, at yung smile niya. So ilagay na natin siya sa loob ng rat. Hamburglar is trapped like a rat. In the Chinese zodiac, the rat represents intelligence, resourcefulness, and quick thinking. People born under this sign are known for being smart, adaptable, and great at spotting opportunities. So kahit maliit siya, no? Definitely mighty. The Mighty Mouse. So ang year of the rat ay quick-witted and clever, very resourceful, adaptable in different situations, curious and observant, good at finding opportunities and solutions. So kung rat zodiac ka, chances are ikaw yung madiskarte at lagi may plano sa barkada. At para naman sa quick horoscope for the year 2026, this period might bring you new ideas and exciting opportunities. Your quick thinking can help you solve challenges, and you might discover something new that leads to success. Ang lucky advice ko sa'yo, trust your instincts and don't be afraid to take smart risks. Tingnan nga natin kung mag-react si Inky sa rat. ito yung rat Inky, catch a rat. Ayan. Dinidma lang niya yan. Try pa natin sa pat. Wala, alam niya, toy lang yan. Tinitignan niya lang. Pinapagpagal na tayo ng buntot. Inky, here's the rat. Nakatingin siya sa akin. Sabi siguro ito, niloloko mo ako pagpagang kita ng buntot ko. So, there you have it. That's a McDonald's Zodiac Rat toy. Very small but super fun and meaningful. Pasok ba ang mga characteristics nun para sa'yo? Kung Year of the Rat ka, comment down below.